During the course of our coverage of a wide range of electronic gadgets, we have realized that some of the most uniquely inventive products tend to be uncomplicated and fulfill one key need very efficiently. They are often so basic in appearance and build that one can't help but wonder why nobody had thought of the product earlier, and are thankfully affordable enough for everyone to give them a try. The product we have for you today falls in this category. It's so deceptively simple that you might dismiss it as a gimmick meant to con buyers, but as many of its users have found, it's actually quite effective at the single function it's meant to perform. This is the Auto Power Mosquito Bite Relief Anti-Itch Gadget.
Here we go!
As the name suggests, this small device, which weighs less than an ounce, is meant to provide relief from the itching that follows a mosquito bite. If you live in or travel to an area that is infested by these pesky insects, you know how quickly the itching can drive you utterly insane. This magic wand-like anti-itch gadget is a great aid to have in your bag in these situations. Apart from the respite from itching, it also helps reduce swelling caused by the bites from a mosquito or even some other insects. This toy-like handheld device weighs less than an ounce and works on the principle that the slight venom released through an insect bite is sensitive to heat. So, to use it, you press the button at one end of the gadget and it releases a high-voltage, low-density current at the bottom, which acts on the affected part of the skin. By pressing the skin 5 times or so, an adult can relieve itching, while pressing the skin about 12 times makes it work as a detumescent, which means that it reduces the swelling. This is a non-allergenic product and safe for use by kids too. In case you were worried, this subtle burst of electricity leaves no scarring or scratching effect. For young users, because of their more sensitive skin, pressing less than 5 times can also remove the itching sensation. It is generally suitable for users above 4 years of age. An interesting feature of the gadget is that it is made of natural quartz, with no need for battery or other electronic power. This, combined with its really small size and light weight, means that you can keep it in your pocket while going camping or while traveling to tropical regions where mosquitoes can be a major hassle. If you are not convinced yet, its low price makes it a great product to try it out on your own and see for yourself why it's caught our eye for its simplicity and effectiveness. That's all we have on the Auto Power Mosquito Bite Relief Anti-Itch Gadget for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other interesting gadget reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.